Okay, first thing we're going to do is select the middle line going down the whole of the body, and then deselecting all the edges we do not need. So same thing we've been doing all the other parts, just deselect using the edge tool, holding control, and then you can deselect all the stuff you need. So now if you go on polygons, cut UV edges, then you can be able to split the two up. Okay, what we're going to do now is unfold one side of the head, but we're going to deselect the middle point. So the first one we're going to deselect is going to be the two in the mouth. So where the mouth joins with another set of UVs, and the same there. One at the top where the UVs end, and the same with the neck. So this is so these points will pin where they are. So if you go on unfold, use no constraint and apply. It looks a bit strange for now, but you should get what I mean later. But this just holds these UVs into the kind of shape we kind of want the UVs to go in. So if you repeat that exactly the same on the other side, so then you go on to polygons, unfold, and no constraint again, so none. Normally you use the horizontal, but this time it's different. So if you just put these two a bit closer now, because we're going to join the head back together, because now it's reasonably flat. So what we're going to do is select the middle line again, and now we're going to have to deselect. So zoom out, just quickly find all the other UVs. A quick way to do it is just deselect all of them, holding control, and so you only have these ones left. So what we're going to do, we're only going to join up from pretty much where the chin is. So we're going to deselect all of them. So these bits will be a bit loose when it unfolds, but we only want to do from the chin up really, and then that should be fine. So you've now gone select and turn these into a UV selection. So now into UV selection, and then we can just merge UVs. And now it looks a bit strange again, but what we're going to do now is we're going to try and make, obviously where the chin area is still red, means that the points are actually the wrong way around. So that's the point, that's why we've got that weird thing going on in the middle. So what we're going to do is kind of move these points and split them up. So we're going to zoom in and quickly just pretty much switch places. So this one's obviously in the wrong place because that's why they're red at the moment, and they're still getting that kind of problem. So we're going to put that one up down there and that one up there. So now when they unfold, these points will be where they're meant to be, so all the other UVs will go where they're meant to go. So just move that down a little bit more, and yeah, that should do, I think. Yeah, you're only trying to give enough room for pretty much all the UVs to unfold nicely into it. Okay, so now if you select the whole mesh, go on polygons, I think. Oh no, now we want to deselect pretty much the same ones we did earlier. Well, actually, this one on the bottom of the chin, where the mouth joins with the other UVs, and again on the top, and again on the back of the head. Now it should be polygons, unfold, again no constraint. And that's pretty much the head done. Quite a simple thing. This would be able to be textures and stuff, but that's using the more kind of complex tool. Normally you would maybe try and merge more kind of points together to get that kind of really perfect layout, but for something really basic and something to work from and improve on, that's a really good way to start from. And you can just rescale it to make sure the points fit. It's the same kind of same scale as the rest of the body, and they seem to go really well. So this is pretty much the head done, and now I'll move on to how we can now use this, a fully UV'd character in a program called ZBrush.